Commercio.network scalable blockchain solutions and eDelivery for secure document exchange and scalable blockchain solutions. We are doing daily tutorials, trying our best to simplify a complex subject like blockchain. It's not easy. If you like what we are doing, I would really appreciate it if you would take a moment to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Your support means the world to us and helps us to continue creating the blockchain videos you love. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need to ensure that their document exchange is secure, efficient, and cost-effective. Many businesses are now turning to blockchain-based platforms like Commercio.network to help them achieve these goals. Commercio.network is a blockchain that offers scalable solutions and eDelivery services for businesses. With its cross-platform blockchain app, it has become a game-changer in the world of blockchain. The Commercio.network scalable solutions and eDelivery services are designed to help businesses achieve faster, cheaper, and more secure transactions. One of the key services offered by Commercio.network is eDelivery. Commercio.network's eDelivery services are designed to provide businesses with secure and efficient document delivery. The platform offers several eDelivery services. To use Commercio.network's eDelivery for secure document exchange, follow these steps. 1. Create a Commercio.network KYC membership, if you don't already have one. You can create an account on Commercio.app. 2. Get the public address of the recipient with whom you want to exchange documents. 3. Upload the document you want to send to the recipient to the Commercio.network blockchain using the appropriate API. 4. Create a new eDelivery message by specifying the recipient's public address, the hash of the document you uploaded, and any additional message or metadata you want to include. 5. Sign the eDelivery message with your private key and submit it to the Commercio.network blockchain using the appropriate API. Optionally, you can use Commercio.network's features such as encryption and decryption to further secure your documents during transit. Note that Commercio.network's eDelivery is designed to provide secure and tamper-proof document exchange between parties without the need for intermediaries. It is ideal for use cases such as legal documents, contracts, invoices, and other sensitive information exchange where security and privacy are critical. Thank you for watching. Get in touch with us or sign up on Commercio.app.